Bishop State, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday and 2 with your host, Robert McWilliams. Have you ever wanted or wish or desired to go back in time? Perhaps maybe if you had a time machine that you could jump in and be able to explore the past in some sort of way for research purposes or whatnot. Well, today we're going to introduce a tool that kinda is like a time machine. It's the Wayback Machine. And in essence, it is a website. Basically, you go to web.archive.org and it'll bring you to the Internet Archive Wayback Machine. What this website does is it allows you to go back into time to see the website's history over the duration of the existence of the Wayback Machine at any rate. So let's just say, for example, we wanted to go to bishop.edu. When you put in a website, it gives you, of course, the current year all the way to, in this case, 2002. So I'm going to go to 2009 because that's when I started at Bishop State. And I started on the 13th of April, but it only has a snapshot of the 17th. So we're going to click on the 17th. So this is going into April 17th, 2009. And you can look and see the current website as of April 2009. And of course, you can see things that was going on then. Let's just look at distance learning. And of course, then we was actually using e-college. So the Wayback Machine allows you to research websites. You can play with this. Maybe for graphic design, you could see the evolution of designs of a particular website. Perhaps you may be looking for a document that was once on a website, but it's not there anymore. You can use the Wayback Machine to retrieve different things. So that is using the Wayback Machine in a nutshell. Again, this is Robert McWilliams, and you've been watching the Bishop State Tech Tuesday Tip. Thank you so much for watching.